My overall impression of the team was everyone was really kind and outgoing, and they were really nice in like explaining everything.
It was quite the complicated machine, and I'm genuinely surprised that they were able to make this. I knew that it was like of this caliber, but I didn't know that it would be like this good. It is like really darn good.
I think the robotics club is like extremely interesting. All the people and like were like extremely welcoming, and I think the robots looked really cool.
How the robot moved, like last year's robot moved, it was the two drivers were working really well together, and how fast it was, even though it was extremely heavy and really small.
A really interesting thing that I saw was watching people drive like the robot from last year's Coralscapes competition, and it was really inspiring to see everything that happened.
Yeah, everything that went into this like project. It was really cool.
Yeah.
The most impressive thing that I've seen tonight is how far Daisy has come since I had been on the team in 2015. It's been a 10-year difference, and to see what Daisy has become is incredible.